Hello there. Thank you for checking out our Visbella Jelly Cleaning Putty. As you can see, we have 5 different scents you can choose from. The first is natural mint. Next, we have natural strawberry. Followed by that, you have natural green apple, natural lemon scent, and last but certainly not least, natural grape. No matter which one you pick, each one comes packaged professionally and ready for you to use. No water or extra ingredients are needed. All you have to do is take it out of the can and you're ready to go. This product is perfect for dusty surfaces or surfaces that are hard to get to. I'm going to show you just how efficient the Visbella Jelly Cleaning Putty is on my extremely dusty computer desk. I'll also show you exactly how you can clean a dirty keyboard. As shown on the screen right now, the Visbella Putty does all of the work by absorbing the crumbs. And as you can see, in only seconds, the complete keyboard is clean. Applying the same technique and using the same ball of putty, I'm able to get rid of the dust on my computer desk. As you can see, the desk is extra clean, no issues there. And when you're done, simply knead out the dust and the debris for multiple uses. The Visbella Cleaning Putty is great for your vehicle as well. It will get into those tight spots without sticking to your hands. It is extremely flexible and it will leave a nice and refreshing scent anywhere that you use it. This is a must-have product for every household, business, or vehicle. Pick yours up today from Visbella.